You make a team selector in Fortnite Creative in 2024, just like I'll have one right here. So in today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that. Alright, so what you have to do firstly is go to island settings. Then once you're in island settings, you have to go on the second one right here where it said mode. Then once you're in mode, you have to click on the first option right here. Then once you're over here for the max players, you could just put on whatever. For the teams custom, for the teams, so if you want 3 teams, you have to put on 4 teams, so just one over the limit, you know what I'm saying? So I want 2 teams, so I'll put on 3. For the team size, I want 2 people. And once you got this setting down, so just go back. You're gonna go back to island settings, then go to content again. Now you're gonna search up class selector. So it should be this one right here. Just place it over here, place one over here, and place one over here. You're gonna have to click on customize class selector 2. Then once you do that, you have to go on the first one. For the color, you could put on whatever. It's not put yellow, so it seems nice. Now for the size of volume, put that to 2.75. For the activation audio, just turn that off. For the zone audio, also turn that off. Now you just have to click on OK. Now you're gonna go on the second one and do the same thing. So for the size of volume, put that 2.75. For the visible during game, yeah. For the color, just put on whatever you want. So I'm gonna put blue. So right here, just click on OK. Sky blue. Activation off. Zone audio, turn also that off. I'll click on OK. Now you're gonna go back to island settings and go to content again, go to devices. Now you're gonna search up player counter. Now you're just gonna place this on one right here, and you're gonna place one right here. Now you're gonna customize it. So go on the second one. For the target player count, put same as the one you put before in your island settings. So I had it at 2, so I'm gonna keep it at 2. That's basically it. You're just gonna click on OK. Now you're gonna go on the second one and do the same thing. So this one's a little behind right here. I'm gonna just click on this. Boom, just put this at 2 just like before. Everything same. Boom, just click on OK. Now you're gonna go back on island settings. You're gonna have to go back on devices. And once you're back at devices, you have to search up player spawn. Then once you click on player spawn, you're gonna have to place one right here, and you're gonna place one right here. Now you're gonna have to click on customize player spawner 2. You're gonna scroll down. For player team, you're gonna click on 1. Click on OK. You have to scroll down for visible in game, just turn that off. Click on OK. Now on the second one, you're gonna do the same thing. Now for player 1, you're just gonna click on OK. Boom, that's player 1. Now you're gonna come over here and do the same thing. So for this one, player team, just put 2. Boom, you're gonna scroll down, visible in game, just turn that off. Boom. You're gonna put another player spawn right here, and we're gonna put on team 3. This is where they're always gonna spawn. Just click on OK. That's the normal one. Now if I start my game, I have a team selector in Fortnite Creative. So that's how you put a team selector in Fortnite Creative. This video helped. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below.